Did you know that you can add a power button directly to the navigation bar on your Samsung Galaxy phone? This interesting option allows you to quickly turn off the screen or power off your phone without using the physical button. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to activate this feature and make your phone usage more convenient. Let's get started. So, first, open your Galaxy Store app. Once you're in the Galaxy Store, find the GoodLock app and install it if you don't have it. After the installation is complete, simply tap the Open button to launch the GoodLock app. When you're in the GoodLock app, go to the Makeup section, then scroll down and look for the module called Navstar. Once you find it, tap the download icon and wait a few moments for the module to download and install. After installation, scroll back to the top, and you'll see the Navstar module. If you want to add it to your home screen, tap More, then select Add to Home Screen from the menu that appears. Now, tap the Navstar module. Immediately after, tap the Start button and in the pop-up window, select Allow All when the Navstar module opens. First tap the switch to enable it. After that, you'll see a new configuration button, tap it. Then, in the bottom right corner of the screen, tap the Button Layout section. Here, you'll see your navigation bar and several options to customize its appearance and functionality. Now, tap the Add button option. When you open this option, you'll see a list of available functions and shortcuts that you can add to the navigation bar. Find the Screen Off option and tap it. Now, you can see how your navigation bar will look with this shortcut. If you want, you can move it to your desired position by dragging the icon left or right, depending on where it suits you best. Simply tap and hold the icon, then move it to your preferred spot. Once you're done, the next thing you need to do is tap the Done option in the top right corner, then tap Save. Afterward, you'll see a list of navigation bar styles. Scroll through the list and at the bottom, find your navigation bar with the power button icon, then tap it. You'll then see a preview of the changes on your navigation bar with the power button icon. No need to save the changes again, everything will be applied automatically. Now, every time you want to turn off the screen, simply tap the power button icon on the navigation bar. Or, if you want to turn off or restart your phone, tap and hold the power button icon. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my new video.